Hey fellow strawberry lovers, Candy here, aka NZ Gardener. Welcome to my strawberry patch. I really hope you've been enjoying bowls full of juicy berries like I have this summertime. I really want that to continue all the way into autumn, and I'm sure you do too. So now is a great time to give your strawberries some much needed love, like a good feed of some strawberry food. If you're container gardening, a more slow release strawberry food like Novatech or Tui Enrich is a good option for you. Now, berries love the sunshine. If your berries aren't ripening up or as juicy and sweet as you thought they were going to be, could be due to lack of sunshine. I like to find my berries, pop them up on top of the leaves, and then it gives them a good soak of the good stuff. Also really great for pest control, keeping them up and off the ground, which brings me to companion planting. Companion plants for strawberries are things like onions, borage, and marigolds. Helps bring those bees in, gives them a good feed, good pop of colour, and they'll help with your pollination as well of your berries. So please tell me that you'll make the most of those free plants, the runners that the strawberries put out. At the end of your season, when the berries are finished fruiting, snip off those runner plants, plant them into some Tui strawberry mix, and give them a good feed with some seaweed tonic. This time next year, you'll have so many berries. I hope that's given you some inspo on the berry patch. I hope you're all enjoying your summer gardens. While you're out there, plant some flowers for the bees and some trees for the future, and have a happy garden time, guys. Bye for now.